The historical data aligns with the simulation here. The Griffin Point anomaly is our target.
The Golden Sphinx is likely within this sector.
These pins mark the deep-sea trench. The sediment layers indicate the statue is buried deep, ensuring its stability and preservation.
Article 4B confirms the salvage jurisdiction applies here.
All right, so we are cleared for the survey phase.
Perfect. I will sign the authorization now.
The recovery zone is volatile. Technical team, I need real-time sonar updates on the Sphinx.
Systems check is green.
Okay, signaling the crane. Take the tension.
Tension's good. Coming over the side. Array entering the water now, Bridge.
Roger, keep eyes on the cable tension.
Bridge, come in. We have a significant anomaly at the following coordinates. It matches the target profile.
Look at this formation. It's clearly artificial.
Run the comparison model. It matches the Sphinx overlay perfectly. We found it. The bathymetric data aligns perfectly with the magnetic resonance.
Agreed. We have a positive ID on the Sphinx, marking the acquisition points now.
Camera looks good, 0 particulates on the lens. Confirmed. Thrusters calibrating stable, we are green feed for launch.
Copy that, surface. The fissure analysis confirms critical instability. Fragmentation risk is high.
Bring it down slowly. Copy that. Easy now. Watch the port side. All right, it's secure.
I hereby formally declare the successful verification of the massive, solid gold Sphinx statue.
The stress points around the base are critical for the lift.
Agreed. We need to reinforce the cradle design here.
Let's run the level 2 diagnostics on that quadrant.
Specific gravity at 19.3. Displacement volume confirmed.
The dry weight calculations are within tolerance. We are clear for the lift.
This ensures the recovery equipment can handle the load.
We are incorporating the mandated 200% safety margin right here.
We need a stronger weld on this joint before we lift the statue.
Almost done. Just securing the last piece of blue padding now.
The boom rotation seems stable under load. Agreed. The dynamic positioning is holding steady despite the wind.
What are the regulator readings looking like?
Stable at 20 degrees. We are ready for the influx.
Inventory confirmed. Watch the grade change.
Copy that. Moving slowly over the threshold.
Weather contingency protocols are active. Checklist confirmed. Moving to structural integrity monitoring. Keep me updated on the cable tension levels.
We need exactly 50 meters for the main strap.
50 meters, copy. The shears are ready.
Check the forward cells. Stable.
Confirmed. Rigging integrity verified.
DP holding steady at 0 deviation. We are good to proceed with the lift.
Watch the load cell readings. Spike incoming.
There it is. Stabilize the tension.
Tension achieved. System is green.
Ascent is stable. Confirm speed.
450 tons and holding. Keep it steady.
Tension levels holding steady at 200 meters.
Running the acoustic sweep now, checking for microfractures.
Confirmed acoustic emissions. Low-frequency grinding and creaking intensifying. We have microfractures in the encrustation.
Hold her steady. Lots of chop.
Taking the strain now. Watch the interface.
Easy now, easy. Pull, keep it tight. Almost there, hold it steady. All right, pull left, keep it clear. Heave! Watch the edge of the tank. It's moving clear.
Stable at 15,250 kilograms.
Laser scan confirms the length at 7.2 meters.
All metrics recorded, ready for transport.
Making sound. As you can see, the elemental map confirms a high gold concentration, roughly 99.5%.
Based on the NDT reports, the structural integrity required immediate reinforcement here. This
The concentration is precise, right at the 0.05 molar mark.
Confirmed. The data suggests this will effectively chelate the contaminant.
Check the timer, we have 10 seconds left.
Okay, preparing the neutralization swab.
Removing this is too risky. We lose historical data.
But the guidelines mandate we present the gold.
The patina is history. We must stabilize it.
The gold solder offers flexibility, but for structural integrity, the titanium internal pinning combined with
The archaeological integrity is paramount.
But the void compromises the aesthetic wholeness. We have to reconstruct it.
The scan data supports filling the gap. Finally finished.
It looked perfect. Well done.
The grain on this wood fragment matches the pattern right here.
Yes, cross-reference that against the ceramics from the same quadrant.
Look at this specific carving here. The tool marks indicate a highly specialized technique we rarely see outside the New Kingdom.
I agree. The precision is remarkable.
This discovery rewrites the timeline of the New Kingdom. The sheer scale of the solid gold structure and
Origins. The conservation methods here look solid. The metallurgical analysis supports the Giza Plateau recovery techniques. What about the long term?
The environmentals are stable and the security grid is active.
it meets all criteria. The Sphinx can be moved in tomorrow.
Restoration also quality damper. The seismic dampeners integrate directly with the rebar K here,
ensuring the load distribution is secure.
Vibration sensor is active. Seal the panel.
Confirmed. All systems green.
Steady now. Watch the clearance on the left.
Confirmed. Moving on to the ramp.
Looks aligned. Drop sequence initiated.
Perfect seating on the structure.
Secured. Great work, everyone.
The seal is complete.
Environmental controls are nominal.
All teams, status report. Power systems back online. The artifact is secure. Drill complete.
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the magnificent solid gold Sphinx. The dark gold patina you see is the result of meticulous restoration.
We should emphasize the gold conservation techniques used on the Sphinx.
Right, yes. Right, and maybe add a module on the maritime finds.
The historical significance dates back to the 18th dynasty. To ensure its preservation, we maintain strict...
This allocation, detailed here in the expenditure report, fully funds the perpetual maintenance and security.
Excellent.
As this curvature suggests Nubian influence, pushing the timeline back significantly.
But the crown's iconography...
The AR overlay highlights the restoration areas based on the new data.
Good. This panel accurately reflects the updates in the log.
We have a slight fluctuation here on the C-scan.
Adjusting the angle, rerunning the sequence now.
The degradation here is critical. The original mount won't hold long term.
Rerouting the support structure. The stress levels are normalized now.
This entry here contradicts the video feed of the recovery angle.
That's when the secondary stabilization array engaged.
The weight distribution shifted significantly at that depth.
The valuation is confirmed at 500 million, based on the purity certificate. And the continuous global coverage.
Check the alert on the East Gallery sensor.
Acknowledged. Running diagnostics now.
How is the blend looking on the shoulder?
It's close, but I think the weathering needs a little more depth right here.
Yeah.
Chamber.
The degradation on the lower flange seems consistent with the 2014 report.
Yes, but the humidity stabilization has clearly paid off.
As you can see on the diagram, the microfractures required a novel approach to gold fusion, which we detail in the case study.
This stunning, fully restored solid gold Sphinx, recovered just last year, is finally on display.
The detail on the coal lines here is incredible. It matches the Luxor findings exactly.
The restoration process alone took nearly 10 years, focusing on stabilizing the massive structure you see before you.